I welcome you all for today's GK class. We have completed 3 chapters and this is the 4th chapter, Unique Plants, which really deals with different kinds of plants existing in this beautiful earth. Also, this is a crossword puzzle. Clues has been given and you should identify the correct word. Shall we start with the clue for the first word? A long tree from the leaves of which oil is extracted for use as perfume and medicine. A native of Australia, it is also valued for timber and gums. Yes, you're right. It's eucalyptus. It's eucalyptus. Clue for the second word. It is a plant grown for its thread-like fiber from which linen is made. Yes, you're right. It's flax. It's flax. Clue for the third word. An indigenous medicinal plant found in Kashmir and some other parts of India. It is used for the treatment of high blood pressure. Yes, you're right. It's Rauwolfia. It's Rauwolfia. Number 4. A tall water plant of the sedge family. It was merely abundant in the Nile region of Egypt. Yes, you're right. It's papyrus. It's papyrus. Number 5. A small evergreen tree with smooth and shining leaves and greenish yellow flowers. It pours water as if it weeps. It is native to southern Europe and the United States. It is also called bay tree. Yes, you're right. It's laurel. It's laurel. Number 6. A plant with fleshy stems, branches bearing spines or scales instead of leaves, and sometimes showy flowers. It is grown in hot and arid parts of North and South America. Yes, you're right. It's cactus. It's cactus. Number 7. A tree whose branches bend easily. It provides flexible twigs which are used for weaving baskets, and its wood is used for making baseball bat. Yes, you're right. It's willow. It's willow. Number 8. It is a plant which bears pink or white blossoms. Yes, you're right. It's jacaranda. It's jacaranda. Number 9. A tall Asiatic plant. It is grown for its tough fiber. The fiber is used for making rope, sailcloths, etc. Yes, you're right. It's hemp. It's hemp. Number 10. A tall plant with sticky green pods. It is used in soups, stews, etc. Yes, you're right. Akra. It's akra. Number 11. A clover or clover-like plant with leaflets in groups of trees. It is used as the emblem of Ireland. Yes, you're right. It's shamrock. It's shamrock. Children, I hope you all have understood this lesson. Please take your GK book and take page number 8. Please complete the answers. Also study the answers immediately. Let's move on to the next chapter, chapter number 5, non-flowering plants. Children, do you have any idea about non-flowering plants? Come, let's see about it. Most plants reproduce by producing flowers, pollen, and seeds, but some plants reproduce by producing spores. Plants that reproduce through spores are non-flowering plants. These plants produce spores on their foliage or gills that spread and produce new plants. Here in this lesson, we have been given with 4 such plants. The first plant given here is Moses. The first plant given here is Moses. These tiny plants usually grow to a maximum height of 2 inches, have leaves, stems, and a system of underground rhizomes or tiny rootlets. And the second plant given here is fern. Fern. These plants can be deciduous or evergreen. These produce spores on the underside of their fronds. Many hardy varieties can be used to fill in shady spots in the landscape. And the third plant given here is liverwort. Liverwort. These are typically small plants, usually from 2 to 20 millimeter wide, with individual plants less than 10 centimeter long. Some plants may cover large patches of ground, rocks, trees, or any other reasonably firm substrate on which they occur. The fourth plant given here is conifer. The fourth plant given here is conifer. These bear their reproductive structures in cones. They evolved around 300 million years ago and as a group show many adaptations to drier and cooler environments. They are usually evergreen and often have drought-resistant leaves that are needle-shaped or scale-like. In the knowledge box, you have been given with a plant cycad. Cycad is a group of non-flowering plants having large seed-producing cones that can grow to more than 55 centimeters long. Hope children you all have understood this lesson. Take your GK book, page number 9, fill up the given space with the right answers and learn it. Thank you.